In this video, we'll cover the new Assignment Actions button, which includes options to force complete and delete student progress. The Assignment Actions button on the assignment report gives teachers access to tools to manage student progress and to take steps within an assignment. To access the Assignment Actions button, first, choose an assignment from the assignments list. Next, select one or more students using the checkboxes next to student names. Once one or more students have been selected, the Assignment Actions button will appear. When selected, the Assignment Actions button will give teachers the option to force complete or delete student progress. Force complete. The Force Complete option allows teachers to close an assignment for selected students. This can be used when an assignment window has ended or when a teacher is ready to move forward with instruction and needs to close access for specific students. To force complete an assignment, select one or more students for the Assignments Action button to appear. Click on the Assignment Actions button and select Force Complete. Then confirm selected students and click Complete Assignment. When Force Complete is selected, the assignment is immediately closed for eligible students. Students who have not started or have already completed the assignment are not eligible. If the assignment is open, a message displays indicating the assignment has been closed. Student score details with Force Complete. For incomplete problems, the student score details will display a not completed in time message. For open response problems, the student score details will show student open response attempts. After selecting Force Complete, teachers can edit student scores or delete student progress. Delete student progress. The Delete Student Progress option allows teachers to remove all work completed by selected students. This can be used if a student needs to restart an assignment for a clean attempt. To delete student progress, select one or more students in the assignment report. Select Assignment Actions, then Delete Student Progress. Select Delete Progress to confirm. When a teacher uses Delete Student Progress, all student responses are permanently removed. Once a teacher selects Delete Student Progress, the assignment appears in the Assign tab on the student homepage. Students can restart the assignment using the original assignment link. Be sure to use the Assignment Actions button to manage student progress and to take next steps within an assignment.